Okay, having known that, we can just take a summary of all the formulas, one after the other. The first formula, formula 1, is R1 over R2 to be equals to square root of D2 over D1. This is the general formula. Formula 2, say R1 over R2, formula 2, okay, you have that to be what? M1T2, thank you, M1T2 over M2T1 to be equals to square root of D2 over D1. Formula 3, you can have, for formula 3, you have M2, that is derived from formula 2, M1 over formula 3 rather, formula 3, M1 over M2 to be equals to root of D2 over D1. That's formula 3. For formula 4, that will be T2 over T1, which is equals to root of D2 over D1. And formula 5 going to be what? That's going to be what? R1 over R2 to be equals to square root of M2 over M1. These are all the formulas that is required of a candidate or student preparing to write WAEC, NECO, UTME, as far as their examination is concerned. If not being asked in the objective aspect, you will be asked at the theory. Thank you.